Hi, my name is Rachel Pirelli Randolph, and I am here at the beach with Expert Village to talk to you about tips for tanning. And right now I'm going to be talking to you about times. Timing is very important when it comes to tanning. If you don't pay attention to your timing, you can definitely get an uneven tan. Right after you get out of the shower, you want to wait until your skin is completely dry before you apply your moisturizer. Because if you don't, starting from the beginning, it will become uneven, and that's definitely what you do not want. So you're going to wait about 15 minutes till your body's completely dry till you get that perfect tan. You want to apply the moisturizer after that 15 minutes, and then you're going to wait till that dries, and then you're going to apply your tanning product. But after your tanning product, you're going to wait. It may feel dry, but it isn't dry enough. So you're going to want to wait like 30 minutes before you do anything, maybe 30 minutes to an hour. That's how you want to wait and keep that healthy glow. And next up, we're going to be talking about your hands.